YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and today I am back with another banger for y'all, man. Today is the 1st of February and I am getting a cut finally. All right, I would unrag for y'all right now, but I'm not, so I'm just gonna unrag when I'm sitting at the chair, and I'm gonna be using my phone also to record my video because I do not have a cameraman, so I'm gonna have to improvise, you know. Right before we get into this video, man, subscribe to my second channel. That's gonna be down in the description below. You know, do that. I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribe to my second channel, man. Me and my girlfriend, we're grinding hard on that channel, trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. So please, guys, leave a subscribe. The link is down in the description below. Please smash that subscribe button for me. And also, you guys want to copy 216 Wavy merch? You know, that's all I wear. You want to be part of the 360 Juice gang? 216 Wavy merch. That's also linked down in the description below. And before you cop anything, use my discount code 360juice26 to get 26% off your purchase. And yeah, that's about it, man. Y'all ready for the cut? I know I'm ready, man. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the barbershop, all right? So y'all stay tuned.
Damn, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it, hey.
Guys, just a reminder, we have a giveaway coming up, guys. Don't forget about that. I will be giving away a 216 Wavy Butter Moisturizer, all right? So just stay tuned for that. I will be giving that away once I hit 1,500 followers on Instagram. My Instagram is 360_juice with a 3 at the end, all right? So what y'all need to do, just follow the directions. The directions are, you have to follow me on Instagram, all right? Repost my post on your story, repost it, tag 2 people that you think may want to win, and then comment done under the giveaway picture. All right, so that's how I'm gonna choose the winner. So it's not that hard, man. All you gotta do is follow me, repost, and tag 2 people, and then comment done once you do all of that. So it's not that bad, not that difficult. I'm gonna randomly choose a lucky winner. So if you don't win, don't be mad, don't be sad, because I have way more giveaways coming up. Alright, so I'm back from the barber. You know, got my fresh cut. Feel me? Kept my do-rag on for a little while. Try to get it laid as possible if I unwrap for y'all. But y'all, I realized something that I got a little bald spot right here. And I know a lot of y'all probably gonna say, oh, the barber messed my hair up. But nah, I don't think that's where that bald spot came from. Actually, I think it's from the shampoo. Like, when you finish washing your hair, make sure you rinse all the shampoo out of your hair. Like, get a good rinse thoroughly. Like, make sure everything is out, because I think that's how I got that spot right there. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna do a little more research on it, you know, and then just feed you guys the important information that you need. But without further ado, let's get into this unrag and just focus on the results from this recent wolf that I did. And the cut down was a 1.5 with the grain guard open. And I'm just gonna show you guys the result of the wolf, the brush session, and the cut all together. So y'all just take this as an informational video and just not try to throw shades in the comment like, oh, you blah blah blah. Like, let's just grow up, man. Let's get it.